Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this black and white grunge CRT effect for your next music video or edit. Starting off, I already have a clip from a Yeet music video, and then I'm going to go over here to our bottom left, and then I'm going to go to new and create our first adjustment layer right here. Then I'm going to go right here, and for the first effect I'm going to add is going to be invert, and it's going to start messing around with our colors. We're going to leave the regular settings for invert right here. We're going to close out our menu, and then for the next effect I'm going to add is tint. Go over here to color correction and go to tint, drag it in. Then we're going to have these colors right here, but we're actually going to press swap colors, and it's going to give us a nice black and white effect. So we're going to close out our tint effect right there. Then I'm going to go over here to effects and presets, and I'm going to add the glow effect. Go all the way down here and go to stylize and glow, drag it in. And I'm actually going to increase our radius so it's not fully harsh. Just right here, so it helps to spread out our glow effect so it's not all in just one spot, and it helps make our clip look way nicer. So I'm going to increase our radius all the way up to 55. Once after that, I'm going to close out our glow effect right there. And then to help tie in this effect, we're going to add the signal effect. So I'm going to go here to emulating VHS, switch it from SP to LP. Then I'm going to go over here to luma modulation. Then we're going to go over here to our frequency under luma modulation and put it at 1. And if you want to give this kind of a border right here, let me zoom in. This right here, you just turn off tape errors, and it gets rid of it right there. And once after that, I'm going to close out our menu, save our project so we don't lose none of our progress. And apart from that, guys, that is how you create a black and white grunge CRT effect in After Effects. If you did like this effect or you learned something new, I would love you to subscribe, like, leave a comment. You don't got to, but it is free. And keep working hard, keep on chasing your dreams, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.